Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the error that you might be having with Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, so let's go ahead and open up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is the main page that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the homepage right here. This is going to be the homepage where in the upper right corner we can get started with signing up for an account if you do not already have one. If you already have a Google account, just log in normally. So once we are logged in, now we can get started. This is going to be the main page right here where we can get started with creating a new form. So if you do not already have a form that you want to use, you can go ahead and open up right here to create your form. Here we can take a look at the forms we have created and so on. And now let's go ahead and see how to fix the error if you cannot submit your answers or if you cannot create a form. Basically, as you can see right here, we have an article showing us what happens if we keep getting errors for Google Forms not working. Basically guys, the main error usually is the internal problems. Maybe your internet connection isn't working, or sometimes you just have to resubmit your answers because something bugged out. Usually there is no real error, you can access it normally. But if you keep getting some errors like that the submissions are no longer allowed and so on, that is from the owner. He has turned off submissions or he has unpublished the form so you can no longer access it. But if the form is normally accessible, then guys, what you want to do is just resubmit the Google form. Normally make sure you have an internet connection and are logged in, and once you have done that guys, probably your answers are going to go through. It's going to show you that the submissions have been accepted, and it's easy as that. So basically it's just try out those answers and take a look if it works for you. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.